Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Pumpkin season is here, and when you think of pumpkin, you just want to add it into everything you can. Today I'm sharing a fun kid-friendly and super easy recipe. Pumpkin soup made right in the Instant Pot. I'm starting with half of a sweet onion and 1 carrot, chopped. Into my Instant Pot, I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter, then toss in the veggies along with a whole bag of frozen butternut squash. I'll saute them for a couple of minutes until they soften a bit. Next, I'll season with a pinch of salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, garlic powder, and ground ginger. These spices give the soup that cozy fall flavor. Then I'll add 3 tablespoons of pure pumpkin puree, plus some vegetable broth. You can also use chicken stock if you'd like. And here's my secret ingredients: a small box of apple juice. It adds just the right touch of sweetness that kids really enjoy. I'll mix everything together, cover the pot, and pressure cook for 6 minutes. Once it's done, I'll stir in 3 cheese squares, or any creamy cheese you have on hand, to make it extra smooth and rich. Then I'll blend everything until silky and serve it warm. I'd love topping the soup with roasted pumpkin seeds for a little crunch. And if you're serving it to kids, don't forget some crackers, even fish fun-shaped ones. They make the meal extra kid-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this recipe inspires you to bring a little fall coziness to your table. If you enjoyed this, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any more recipes and family-friendly ideas. Wishing you a warm and happy season, and I'll see you in the next one.